all the way up. Down and up. Down. Maybe come up on your toes. Down. Come up on your toes. If you can. Up. Down. Up. Down. Up. Nice. I want you to go on near a wall and keep your arms bent. So you're just trying to dip your hip and dip your hip side to side. Little hip twist. But kind of doing a little bit of a wall push-up as well. Twist, twist. I'll do it over here. So you just gotta lean a little bit and hip, hip. Pretend you're washing the window with your butt. So if you don't have a wall, just give me a half circle, okay? Half circle. So you can be on the wall. Nice, get those twists in there. So next, just give me a jumping jack. You could do a half one. You could use your arms. Where are you gonna go? Remember, you could do a half. You could use both arms. Or go. Again on the mat, double leg lifts. So you're gonna tuck underneath, protect your tailbone. So come down, then up. Down, don't put it all the way down, up. Press your back down, don't let that back arch. You don't want any space under here. Ooh, nice. Stay down on that mat. Okay, so we're gonna do a plank. Plank to a pike. Let's just start with that. Plank, pike. Straight. Plank. Pike. it out. You can keep your head on your mat. Hug it in. Stretch it out. You can pick your head up a little bit if you want. Or keep it down. Stretch it out. Star abs. Really hug it in when you bring it in. Hug it in. Stretch it out. Hug it in. Stretch it out. Nice job. Okay, now, flutter kicks. We've done this. So tuck it underneath. So if you go higher, it's easier. Lower is harder. You can point or flex. Remember, higher is easier. You can bend a little. Whatever's good for you. I'm down. Press your back down. Breathe. Woo! 10 seconds. Woo! Flutter kicks. Okay, I do want you to grab a weight. I apologize. So you're going to go flat on your back, start straight up, and then drop one leg, drop the other. Now, option, put your feet down, you can just lift and lift. Keep your legs bent. Okay? Here's your modified. Or straighten it. Make it a kick. Just go slow. Hold your weight right above. Arms straight. Okay, so keep that weight. Infinity scissors. Not bad. You can do this, I think. So you can keep your legs bent a little. So you're going to pass it through. Pass it through. You can keep your head down. Or you can pick it up a little bit. So through the center, out the side. If it's too much, you can tap your legs down. Lift it. Lift it. Lift it. Lift it. Okay? You can do it. Or keep your head down. It's up to you. Just don't crunch your chin. Woo, we're up. All right, it's in your right hand. Left leg is back. Come down. Reach over. Switch sides. Come down. Reach over. Nice and graceful, right? Down. Reach over. Down. Down. Really get that bend. Go down. Reach. Down. Reach.